Here's a list of common medical terms and their meanings in simple English. Analgesic, a medicine that reduces pain, e.g., paracetamol. Antibiotic, a drug used to treat bacterial infections, e.g., penicillin. Anti-inflammatory, reduces swelling and inflammation, e.g., ibuprofen. Antiseptic, prevents infection by killing germs, e.g., hand sanitizer. Diagnosis, identifying a disease or condition. Chronic, a condition that lasts a long time, e.g., asthma. Acute, a condition that comes on suddenly and is usually severe, e.g., appendicitis. Dosage, the amount of medicine to be taken. Placebo, a harmless substance given as if it's medicine often used in studies. Prognosis, the expected outcome of a disease or condition. Symptom, a sign that something is wrong in the body, e.g., fever, pain. Vaccine, a substance that helps protect against disease, e.g., flu vaccine. Allergy, a reaction by the body to something harmless, like pollen or nuts. Anesthesia, a drug used to stop pain during surgery or procedures. Hypertension, another term for high blood pressure. Analgesic, antibiotic, anti-inflammatory, antiseptic, chronic, acute, dosage, placebo, prognosis, symptom, vaccine, allergy, anesthesia, hypertension.